Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have purchased this RIDGID 6-gallon wet dry vacuum cleaner and I'm gonna do unboxing. So that's what I'm gonna show you. This cost me around $110 and I purchased from Home Depot. And the good thing is it has covered with full lifetime warranty. Okay, so and you can see the capacity is 6 gallon. Power also is given. So let's unbox it. I'm gonna unbox and then I'm gonna show you guys. After removing the first cover, it says only purchase genuine RIDGID replacement filters, of course. Okay, all right, and I'm taking it off. Wow, it's not heavy. I could easily hold it. So okay, some accessories first, then I'm gonna open this. So the entire box has been unboxed. Main unit, some accessories, and of course these are probably the wheels, okay, that I have to assemble here. Okay, an instruction book. So I'm going to start with the wheels first. So we're going to start with foot assembly. It's very simple. Put it upside down and this is the wheel. Put it here and push it. Okay, you don't have to use too much force, just very easily you're gonna do it. So you can see this has been done. I'm gonna do for remaining ones too. Remember guys, when you actually push it, you hear a snap noise. That's very important. Okay, once you hear the snap noise, that means it is done actually. And as I said, not too hard you need to do, because I need to hold it from both hands. That's why I'm not able to show you, but it's very easy. Just hold it with one hand and push from other hand. So step number 1 is over. Now this is the main drum. Okay, and this is, you can say, power head assembly that is also attached to the filter. Okay, it's pretty simple. You don't have to do much. And you see, this is the area like where your vacuum will bring things in and it will fall here with the filter. Okay, filter will make sure that your motor is protected. So when you're ready to assemble it, what you need to do, just put it on top of it. Now you see these edges, make sure it attached to the edges and you can lock them over here. Very easy it is. Do it on the other side as well. Behind is the power cable. Okay, it comes with a handle and this is probably going here. Let me confirm. Looks like yes. So place them, be very careful. See, this one is longer here and this one is shorter because there's a button here. So this you have to put in here, but you need to do slight assembly here. And in your toolbox itself, they do provide 2 screws. If you take a look from top, there are screw holes. You see, it has to be tightened. Okay, so that you can, wherever you go, you can just lift it with this handle. You don't need any hi-fi or sophisticated tool. With a simple screwdriver itself, you can do it. So once the assembly is done, you can see it's very easy to lift. You have got a handle and it's not heavy at all, so don't worry about that. Okay, so to attach the wheels to the main unit, so you see, you can hold it like this. You see this one, this needs to go in here, so you can just fix it like this and at its position, and you just slightly has to push, yeah, and then it's gonna attach. Then it's gonna attach automatically. You will hear a sound. To take the main unit out from the dust drum, it's gonna make your life much easier, as I'm doing now. Just put it here and make sure it matches, and there is a slight press. You don't have to do much. You heard the snap, it's done. Wheels are ready, and same I'm gonna do here also. You can see with proper wheels attached, now it's mobile, it can move. Okay, now I can attach this back. Again, remember to see the mark. This one I'm talking about, this one. So if you adjust it nicely, it at the right spot, see, it automatically sits. Perfect. All right, most of the tasks already done. These are just accessories. Okay, let me take this up. This I need to attach. I'm gonna start. Now you see there are 2 ends of it. So this, the one that goes here, needs to be locked, and this should be something configurable where you can attach multiple accessories. So you see this is called hose lock. So this has to go in like this. Okay, just slightly press and it will go. You see slightly how it got locked here, so there is no issue absolutely at all. Okay, and now I have got multiple accessories that I can use if I want to. I'm just trying to bring all of them together. So they have given me 3 of these, like, okay. So now I attach these two, pretty simple, and looks like I am ready. So I'm gonna just quickly make a run. So I just did a try and it really works well. This switch is the on off. Let me just give you a small demo. So that is, guys. Now let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.